Hello, hello! I am about to unbox this. It's heavier than it looks. It is the Cyanide and Happiness Kickstarter for the Laughing Matter game? I think that's what it's called. My husband, Tim, funded them on Kickstarter. So let's see what he all got. He knows I'm opening this, it's okay. He likes me doing this. Well, I don't know if he likes watching the videos, so. Damage any of the inside. Joking Hazard. That's the name of the game. Joking Hazard. And then the first thing in the box says, holy shit, it's Tim. Nice place you've got here. We fucking love you. And then what's all in the order? There are 2 of the gang mats. One, 2. Two of the Joking Hazard Kickstarter packs. I'll open one to show you a few. I know Tim's giving the other one to a friend, so hopefully they're not watching. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. 2 of the Blast from the Past kits. Again, I will show you a couple of those. Tim is giving them away. And 2 of the shiny red box edition Joking Hazard boxes. Again, I will open one and save the other one. Let's start with the basic box. Let's not wreck anything. There we go. Hope you're enjoying the side of my head. Whew. Joking Hazard. There's the rules. Seeing as a Cyanide and Happiness, I'm a little surprised there's rules, but I kind of want to put this on the wall somewhere, but we'll see. And there are 3 decks in here. Oh, an example is, I'm sure, you take 3 random cards and you try to make a comic strip out of it. First one, may I take your daughter's hand in marriage? What do I get out of it? And then this is the punchline. Great thing is, these don't have to make sense, they just have to be funny. So there's those. I'm not going to open those because that's an example right there. This is the Blast from the Past pack. Can you remind me opening it? Oh no. More Joking Hazard. Nice black cards. Now I'm going to just pick 3 random cards. 1. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. 2. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. 3. This is what happens when women are allowed to vote. Doing them in the order I picked them out. My hero! The Titanic is sinking! This one doesn't make sense. It does not. It's not even a little bit funny. But that can happen. That's a 50 card pack. So there's that. And the Joking Hazard Kickstarter pack. Thanks for helping us create Joking Hazard on Kickstarter. This pack contains 30 exclusive cards just for all your backers. We did it! It also includes 10 exclusive bonus cards and 10 add your own word cards. Eight, 9, 10. So, here are the add your own word cards. We just got little pictures of the dudes. Cyanide and Happiness, I'm assuming. And again, I'm going to pick 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the order I picked them. This is the weirdest job interview I've ever been in. You're on my new hidden camera show. That one is kind of funny. I like that one. Anyways, that's the box. So we've got the shiny red box with the rules, the Kickstarter pack, the Blast from the Past pack, the gaming mat, and a thank you for Tim. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a great day.